Welcome to Innoven Foods. Today we are making Besan Bhurji, a delicious dish that looks like scrambled eggs but is made with simple gram flour and vegetables. Let's start the recipe. Take half cup gram flour and sieve the gram flour. Gram flour is made from finely ground chickpeas. Roast it on low heat for 2 minutes, stirring continuously to remove the raw smell. Besan Bhurji is often called the vegetarian version of scrambled eggs. Transfer it to a bowl. Now add 3/4 cup water and mix until smooth and lump-free. Keep it aside. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add 2 cloves garlic, half teaspoon cumin, 1 green chili, one-fourth cup onion. Saute for a minute until fragrant. Now add half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 3 tablespoon tomato and 3 tablespoon capsicum. Cook for a minute until the vegetables soften slightly. Half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin powder. Mix well. Gram flour is a good source of plant protein. Vegetable adds vitamins, minerals, and color. Pour in the prepared besan mixture. This dish is popular because it's quick and budget friendly. Mix gently and cover. Homemade meals help you control the ingredients. Once it starts setting, use a spatula to scramble the mixture. This recipe is naturally egg-free and vegetarian. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until it looks soft, fluffy, and well cooked. Keep stirring and breaking it into small pieces. Besan absorbs spices beautifully, making every bite flavorful. Finish with fresh coriander leaves. Keep the texture soft by not overcooking. Your Besan Bhurji is ready, soft, flavorful, and made with simple kitchen ingredients. Would you enjoy this with roti, paratha, or toasted bread? Tell me in the comments. Follow Innoven Foods for more easy breakfast recipes.